NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? She got home cooked meals, turn up the heat. A little bit of dessert, it won't hurt. Let's get the cooking with Nana, the expert.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making spaghetti with meat sauce. The ingredients that we're going to need today is a 1-pound box of thin spaghetti, 2 29-ounce cans of tomato puree, 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. You're going to need another tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 medium onion diced, 4 large garlic cloves minced, 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic salt divided, 2 teaspoons of sugar. I also have a 1.37 ounce packet of the thick and zesty spaghetti sauce mix, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and also 3 tablespoons of salted butter. In a heated saucepan, we're going to add in our olive oil. You want that to come to temperature. Now you want to add in your butter, and we're going to let that melt. Butter has melted. We're going to add in our onion, and you want to saute that for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic. We're going to saute that for 1 minute. For 1 minute, we're going to add in our ground beef. Go ahead and break your ground beef down. You want to make sure everything is mixed in well. While our meat is cooking, we're going to add in our 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, our garlic salt, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, ground black pepper, and our onion powder. You want to go ahead and mix it and continue to cook it until all of our ground beef is brown. Now I'm going to add in my packet of our spaghetti sauce mix. Go ahead and mix it until it's well combined, and continue to cook until all your ground beef is brown. Once your ground beef is done cooking, you want to remove all excess grease. Once you removed all excess grease, return it back to your pan. With your heat on medium, we're going to add both of our cans of our tomato puree. Now you can go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in our 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. That's optional, guys, you don't have to. Our garlic salt and our grated Parmesan cheese. We'll go ahead and mix it again until it's well combined. Okay guys, now to our sauce, we're going to add 1 cup of water. Go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. As you can see, we have a nice thick sauce. So once you get it nicely combined, you guys can give it a taste. If you need to adjust any seasoning, go ahead and do so. Okay guys, now we're going to place our lid over top. You want to lower your heat, and we're going to let it simmer for 30 minutes. Put your heat on low. Okay guys, don't forget, you want to stir your sauce every 10 minutes. Now you want to get a pot of boiling water. You want to add some salt to it. Now we're going to add our spaghetti in. We're going to cook our spaghetti according to the instructions on the box. You just want to go ahead and move it around some so it doesn't stick together. Okay guys, now it's time to drain our pasta. Okay guys, now we're going to begin to add our spaghetti into our sauce. You just want to begin to mix it in. Okay guys, so here we have it, our spaghetti in a nice thick meat sauce. I like my spaghetti extra saucy, so this is perfect and it tastes delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?